today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make a truly Canadian gourmet burger. And when we talk about gourmet burger, we don't want to buy the ground beef and just mix it up and make a burger. We're gonna make everything from scratch. So what do I have here? I have beef chuck, and you can see the amount of the fat will be perfect for the burger. I have a maple smoke bacon, and I have here the smoked brisket, which is known as smoked meat as well. And we're gonna grind everything in the food processor. And that's what about the gourmet burger. You want to know what's in your meat, right? So you make everything yourself. And I'm gonna add here a Montreal steak spice. It's amazing blend for steak, for burger, for marinating any steaks. And I'm gonna put some as well. Perfect, nice. That's all what we need here. Let's get everything out. Now you can use any food grade clear film. So I have this one here, and I'm gonna use the ice cream scoop. Voila, you go right in the middle, fold right on top. And this is here, like I'm using one of my jars cover, and you just pick a good size one, the way you want it, and all what you need, just put it on top, give it a little push down. Here you go. Perfect. As I said, same thickness everywhere, the edges is perfect and good to go on the grill. So now I have them here. Now let's put our grill to high, and let's put our first burger. I have here some portabella mushroom, onion, zucchini, and tomato. This is going to be the topping for our gourmet burger. So let's start with the onion first. About 1/4 inch. Gonna put 2 slices, and the zucchini. We're gonna slice it. There you go. The portabella mushroom. Tomatoes. I have some balsamic vinegar and olive oil, and I'm gonna just give it a quick brush, all the vegetables, and ready to go on the grill. Let's see our burger. Yummy, look at this. Voila. Now let's continue with our tomato. Put it on the side here. Now on the top I'm gonna brush olive oil, balsamic vinegar as well, the mushroom, tomatoes, a little bit of zucchini, just to add a little vinaigrette flavor to it. And for the hamburger bun, probably you're asking why do I have brown and white. So this one is the regular sesame white bun, and the last minute chopping I found this Canadian hamburger bun, which is I can't ask for more than that. And it made the flavor in it, it's a smoked maple flavor, and it has the maple leaf as well. So it was perfect for me to get it done as a Canadian gourmet burger. And let's check now on our vegetables. Lovely. Look at this. That's what we're looking for, right? Here we go. Nice. That's gonna be layer on the burger, on the gourmet burger. Perfect. As you can see here, everything is good to go. Now let's put the cheese, and I'm using the Canadian orange cheddar cheese. Now let's turn off here, this side, and let's take the burger out so we can toast our bun here. So because I want the flavor to go right on the bun, in the bun here. Voila, here we go. Perfect. Look at this. That's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna work on both buns here. Onion, cheese, mushroom, and I'm gonna put the grilled zucchini. Voila. The tomatoes, yummy. And the tomato on the second one as well. Voila. And that's all what you need. Perfecto. Look at this lovely maple leaf here. Nice. Look at this beautiful Canadian gourmet burger. Which one I want to try doesn't matter. They both gonna taste amazing. Whoa, look at that beautiful burger. And now the moment of the truth. Let's give a try. Wow. Now that's a burger. If you have special guests and you want to treat them with a good barbecue, don't go further than that. The best gourmet burger I ever had. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.